Go ahead. Don't hit me.
Till I'm on for the respect. Never settle for less. I'ma get that. Spazzing on till it's pitch black.
I am just an icon living. Anybody that hate, I will Smith them. Get it? If you didn't, well, I guess you gotta listen more. Listen more.
Welcome back to the channel. I'm just chilling here in the car. So today we got a bunch of things that we have to get done. I ended up getting into a race. I did a quick little pull with a friend in his boosted Lancer. Yeah, I'll insert the clip right now. After those pulls, you know, the car was leaking, the turbo was acting quite strange, over boosting, under boosting, some strange noises. I'm in the car right now only because of the wind. The wind is quite fierce this morning or this afternoon, so just keep in mind I'll try to reduce some of the wind in the editing, but it's probably gonna sound like shit, so just keep in mind. And the combination of this valve cover gasket and that oil feed line to the turbo, I think might be the cause. So all my peoples, I think I figured out what the issue is. It's this oil feed line right here mixed with the valve cover gasket. Literally, these were like hand tight, every single one. Every single fucking one. That one I didn't do yet. This is probably the tightest one is probably that one right there. I'm gonna hit it off too right now. I have not touched this one at all. Cracking, we back at it again. We got the boys out here. We working on the car. We getting it right. We're gonna be smoking Lancers. We're gonna be smoking fucking RSXs, Type S, base model, type fucking A, B, C, D, E, F, G. It doesn't matter. We're back at it. We're gonna get it going. If you look right there in that corner, you'll see that I got parts. Got my guy here throwing up gang signs. But yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna get it popping, and then hopefully she don't leak no more. Getting it cracking. This kid's spraying fucking brake cleaner right next to my face.
Just a little head crack. Can't fix.
Yeah, right? Look how muffed this thing is. Dirty as shit. Do a burnout! He tried last time and he like stalled it. Shout out to my boy Flip. You know I keep this right here on deck. One and only hood prop.
Mine should be bogging out once I press it.
That was the issue with this thing. I don't need this anymore. I have a straight braided line that's, oh fuck. A braided line that's in there. I'm gonna get rid of this for now. I'm gonna leave it right here. My Red Bull. Oh, I should take this off. Did it, boys, I did it. She's looking fucking smooth. Look at that. Look at that. And then this right here, I don't give a fuck what anybody says. This was a bitch. I almost considered taking the whole manifold off. Video or it didn't happen. There it is. I did it. And it's been a few days. No fucking drips. And I took it out last night to get Wendy's. She was a little sweaty. Still though, no fucking drips. How it was, there was a drip. Don't mind that. That was a precaution. Hyped.
I'm on for the respect. Never settle for less. I'ma get that. Spazzing on till it's pitch black.
I am just an icon living. Anybody that hate, I will Smith them. Get it? If you didn't, well, I guess you gotta listen more. Listen more.